I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you?
This is the easy way to play Hallelujah as you hear it on Shrek, so that you can sing along. There's only 2 parts to learn. You learn them and you can play the whole song. So let's get started. First thing you're going to play, a C major chord. Now you can either use these fingers, thumb, middle finger and pinky in the right hand, or thumb, second finger, fourth finger. The second chord, A minor, thumb, second finger, pinky, and then play those 2 chords again. C, A minor. We go to an F major, thumb, middle finger, pinky, G major chord, thumb, second finger, fourth finger, back to a C major. Now we go F major, G major, A minor, F major, G major, and here's an extra chord, E minor to an A minor. So most of that part has only 4 chords, C major, A minor, F major, and G major. The extra chord added towards the end is an E minor. Now, there's 2 ways you could play this. You could play the chords like this, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or, as you hear it in the track, it's broken up, so you could go. So how do I do that? I'm playing the left hand, thumb, left, right, going up and back down. Like that. And I do that for all of the chords. So that's part 1.
Hallelujah.
Part 2 uses the same chords, but in a different order. So F major, A minor, F major, C, G, back to C. And if you're going to another verse after that, add in 1 more G major. You can do the same thing as we did in the last part. Break it up. Or you can 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Up to you. That's how the 2 parts go. If you can learn them, you can play the whole song by singing the different words over the top of those 2 parts. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to demonstrate the intro, the first verse, chorus, second verse, and then the final chorus.
I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the minor 4, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throne. She cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah,